Okay, real talk. Have you ever stood before the mirror and thought कि हम मेकअप करने के बाद कैसे डल क्यों लग रहे हैं? Well, I have been there and I have done that, but now I have exactly find out what actually works for my skin, makeup and hair that makes me look so put together even in 15 minutes that even my husband who hates makeup has said that, oh, you do look nice. Hi, my name is Manisha and I make content on makeup and beauty that is not just affordable but also makes you look put together in lesser time with low effort. So if that's the vibe you're going for, don't forget to subscribe and let's start the video. First, wash your face. I know you might have heard this a million times by now, but I cannot stress enough about this. आपका फेस अगर क्लीन नहीं है तो मेकअप उस पर अच्छा लगेगा ही नहीं. आपका फाउंडेशन हो या कोई भी बेस प्रोडक्ट हो वो बहुत ही फ्लेकी हो जाएगा, यहाँ वहाँ से निकलने लगेगा, and that does not look good at all. Trust me when I tell you this. Simply use this cleanser from Pond's and आपको ये हालत दिख ही रहा होगा. I have used it quite a lot. It's almost over and I need to stock up on a different one, so you can let me know which face wash should I try. Just 60 seconds of your day with a gentle cleanser that does not strip off your skin और आपका स्किन बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन भी कर दे. इससे क्या होगा, आपका मेकअप जो है एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस द टाइम वो लास्ट करेगा आपके स्किन पे. While your skin is slightly damp, you need to go ahead with a moisturizer that suits your skin. If you are dry skin, use a thick moisturizer. If you have oily or combination skin, you can go ahead with some gel cream or gel moisturizers. I personally use this one. This is the barrier cream from the Formula X and it's very lightweight. If I show you the texture, very gel like. I have combination skin and I really like this. If you have oily or combination skin like mine, you really need a moisturizer because hydrated skin पे makeup इतना अच्छा लगता है और कभी भी makeup जो है वो फ्लेकी नहीं होगा, ना ही कहीं से भी निकलने लगेगा. If you think that you have oily skin and you don't need a moisturizer, then trust me, you actually need a moisturizer. Otherwise आपके फेस से जो भी ऑयल निकलता है उससे मेकअप और स्लिपरी हो जाएगा, जिससे मेकअप बहुत जल्दी बह जाएगा आपके फेस से. SPF और a primer depending on the time of the day that you are wearing makeup. अगर सुबह का टाइम है, SPF is non-negotiable. This one is from Plum Rice Water and it's again very lightweight as I have combination skin. I only need my moisturizers or sunscreens to be very lightweight, something that has gel texture and does not clog my pores. Did you see how quickly it absorbed into my skin? If you happen to miss any of the tip that I gave you today, do not miss this one particular step because it's the most important one. You can see our skin looks so much better now and we haven't put the makeup yet. And here's the rule, I do not put more than 5 products on my face, especially during the day because that makes your face look very heavy, very cakey and honestly हमें से कोई भी वो चीज़ नहीं चाहता. So first you need a skin tint or a BB cream or CC cream, whatever you like. I am applying this Dot & Key tinted sunscreen. It's very lightweight and it has got a little tint over here that this will give sun protection as well as a little coverage that I actually want. I'm in the shade Sand. By the way, all the product links will be in the description for you guys. Full coverage foundation and our skin still looks so much better, but if you want to build this up and you want a little more coverage and you only have foundation, I've got a trick for you. What you can do is take any foundation of your choice, कोई भी cream ले लो, ऐसे mix कर दो and you got your own DIY skin tint at home. You simply had to blend it with your fingers. कोई brush नहीं, कोई sponge नहीं, no applicator needed. Now take your favorite concealer and just dot it wherever you need coverage, especially under the eyes. You need to just dot it again wherever you have a little pigmentation or where you need a little coverage. Most beginners यहीं पे सबसे बड़ी गलती करते हैं. They start blending the concealer immediately after applying it, which you should not do because उससे आपको कोई coverage नहीं मिलेगी और जो भी अपने बेस पे फाउंडेशन या जो भी BB क्रीम या स्किन टिंट लगाया वो निकलने लगेगा and that will not look good. Let the concealer sit for 10-20 seconds or 30 seconds if you can do so and then start blending it in. This will give you a little more coverage, hide any dark spots or any pigmentation on your face, and your face will look even toned. Concealer that you have just blended on your eyes as well. As a beginner, I used to think brow products are a waste of money, but trust me, I have learned this the hard way that once you make your brows, like you set your brows at home, it makes such a good difference. It frames your face so beautifully. You can see the difference yourself right now. You can either use a brow pencil, a brow gel, or just an eyeshadow, dark or brown eyeshadow that you have at your home. अगली बार कभी भी threading करवा के आओ तो ये मत सोचना कि brow करने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. Now it's time to give some flush of color to your face. I'm using the Etude House water tint and I'll apply it on the apple of my cheeks and blend it immediately. You know the good thing about this tint that you can build this up as per your liking. It will not look patchy, instead it will give you a slight flush of color, especially for summer days, and the same goes on our lips. Just look at that flush of colors on my face and it looks so dewy, so glowy. Perfect for summers. Now to finish off the look, I'll use some mascara. This is the Plum Lash Drama One for All Mascara. Now it does not give you voluminous look, but it does give some वॉल्यूम टू योर लैशेस, सो आपके लैशेस एक्चुअली दिखने लगते हैं. वन टिप, इफ यू आर गोइंग विद बोल्ड आईज, कीप योर लिप्स न्यूड, बट इफ यू आर गोइंग बोल्ड विद योर लिप्स, आईज को सिंपल रखना, ज्यादा तामझाम करना मत, अदरवाइज वो बहुत ही गंदा लगता है. दिस लुक्स सो मच बेटर बाय नाउ. नाउ आवर स्किन इज डन, मेकअप इज डन, इट्स टाइम फॉर द हेयर. Our skin took around 2 to 3 minutes. Our makeup is done under 5 minutes. Now it's time to move on to hair. Just 2 minutes, and these 3 steps will make your hair look so put together. बालों को पीछे की तरफ ऐसे comb कर लो. Tie it close to your neck so that clean look आए. Lastly, take any hair serum. I'm using the one from Silk and Shine. This is from Hair and Care. Rub it on your palms and अपने बालों पे and ends पे ऐसे rub कर लो. इससे आपके बाल smooth लगने लगेंगे. And that's it. 3 steps, 15 minutes, and your whole look goes from I woke up like this to oh, she looks so put together. The last thing no one talks about are your jewelries and how you put your nails. Your nails clean and neat. आपको जरूरी नहीं कि मैनिक्योर कराना हो या फिर एकदम पॉलिश नेल पॉलिश वगैरह लगा के रखो. क्लीन नेल्स भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. एंड छोटे ऐसे छोटे छोटे इयररिंग्स है और सिंपल सा कोई भी नेकलेस पहन लो या फिर चेन पहन लो, दैट लुक्स एक्चुअली नाइस इंस्टेड ऑफ यू वेयरिंग दोज हेवी jewelries. I mean, heavy jewelries are good if you are going to a wedding or if there is an event as such and you are dressing up like to full beads. तब के लिए तो obviously अच्छा है, but morning में किसके पास इतना time होता है? You just want to look put together. Something like this would actually look so pretty. And you know the shocking part? Makeup and hair are just your 70%. Your 30% is the intention that you put together कि मुझे सुबह उठ के तैयार होना और अच्छा लगना है, presentable लगना है, something like this. That's my full glow up look in under 15 minutes. Skin, hair and makeup, everything, even the finishing touches. There are so many beauty content on the internet right now that you feel so overwhelmed कि ये ले, वो ले, ये करे, वो करे. But that's not actually true. You actually need a system and you need to know what products suit you, what products actually work for you, and build a kit that actually works for you and helps you look put together. So if this video has helped you even tiny bit, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment इसमें से कौन सा product है जो आपको अच्छा लगा या कौन सा step है जो आपको सबसे पसंद आया है. It will help reach more beginners so that उनको भी इस content से help मिल सके, guide मिल सके. And don't forget to subscribe. I post every Wednesday and Saturday long form videos along with short forms on an everyday basis. So do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.